Have you ever stopped and wondered why your stomach feels heavy, swollen, or unusually tight, even when you haven't eaten much? Most people don't realize this, but at any moment, the average person can be carrying pounds of trapped uneliminated waste inside their digestive system. Not just a little, sometimes 5, 10, even 20 pounds of waste that the body hasn't been able to push out. If you've been dealing with constipation, bloating, or that frustrating full but not really empty feeling, this might be your reality right now. And here's the part many people never hear. When stool stays in your intestines for too long, it doesn't just sit there quietly, it hardens, dries and becomes compacted, like clay. And your colon has to fight extremely hard to push it out. During this time, toxins that should have been flushed away are reabsorbed into your bloodstream. That's why you may feel slow, tired, foggy or irritable. Your belly sticks out more, your appetite changes, and your sleep even gets affected. Constipation isn't a small problem, it affects your entire body. But here's the good news, there are natural home remedies, proven over centuries and backed by modern research, that can help your digestive system wake up, soften that hardened stool, and trigger a gentle but effective cleansing movement. And today, I'm sharing 7 powerful remedies that actually work, safely, naturally, and often very quickly. Remedy 1. Taking olive oil on an empty stomach. Most people think olive oil is only for cooking, but inside your stomach, it acts like a powerful lubricant for your colon. When you take a tablespoon of olive oil, it coats the intestinal walls, helping stool move more smoothly. It also tells your gallbladder to release bile, your body's natural digestive grease. If your stool has been feeling dry or hard, this simple remedy can make a dramatic difference within a few hours. Remedy 2. Taking warm lemon water early in the morning. It seems simple, but warm lemon water is one of the most powerful ways to switch on your digestive system in the morning. When warm water enters your stomach, your intestines instantly begin hydrating, and the lemon. Its natural citric acid behaves like a mild cleansing agent. It encourages your liver to release bile, which breaks down old waste sitting in the colon. Within just a few minutes, your digestive muscles begin to contract gently. For many people, this alone triggers their first easy bowel movement of the day. Remedy 3. Prunes. This one is legendary, and it works for a reason. Prunes contain a natural sugar alcohol called sorbitol. Your body doesn't fully digest it, and because of that, it pulls water directly into your intestines. This softens everything, and I mean everything, making it easier for your colon to move waste out. But that's not all. Prunes also contain phenolic compounds that stimulate the muscles in your intestines, helping your digestive system wake up and push things through. That's why so many people experience relief within just 2 to 6 hours. Remedy 4. Flaxseed water. When flaxseed meets water, something magical happens. It forms a gel, thick, slippery, and soothing. Inside your intestines, this gel acts like a natural lubricant and cleaner. It coats stool so it can slide out more easily, softens anything that's dried up, and calms irritation in the colon. This remedy is especially good for people who struggle with chronic constipation because it works gently and steadily. Remedy 5. Epsom salt drink. This remedy is not for everyday use, but when you need fast reliable relief, it works incredibly well. Epsom salt contains magnesium sulfate. When you drink it, the magnesium pulls water into your colon very quickly, softening stool and triggering a strong natural bowel movement. Some people feel results in as little as 30 minutes. It's powerful, so use it only when needed. Remedy 6. Castor oil, the traditional cleanser. This is one of the oldest remedies ever recorded, and it's still used today for a reason. Castor oil stimulates the smooth muscles of your intestines more than almost any natural remedy. It literally nudges your colon to start pushing. If your constipation is stubborn, and nothing else seems to work, castor oil is often the remedy that finally brings relief. Remedy 7. Kiwi fruit. Gentle daily doctor-approved relief. This one surprises people, but kiwi works better than many fiber supplements. Kiwi contains a natural enzyme called actinidin. It helps break down proteins, speeds up digestion, and prevents stool from drying out. In clinical studies, kiwi helped people have more frequent, more comfortable bowel movements, without cramps or irritation. If you want something gentle for everyday support, kiwi is one of the best choices you can make. Constipation can drain your energy, disturb your mood, and leave you feeling heavy and uncomfortable. But your body isn't working against you. It just needs the right tools. These remedies help soften, hydrate, and move waste through your system in the most natural way possible. If your symptoms continue for more than a few days, or you experience severe pain, please talk to a doctor, because chronic constipation can be a sign of deeper issues. But for occasional or stubborn constipation, these natural remedies can deliver the relief your body has been waiting for. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It truly helps more people find this information. Share your experience or your favorite remedy in the comments. Your story could help someone else struggling with the same discomfort. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural health solutions that really work. Your body deserves to feel light, clean, and healthy, and I'm here to help you get there.